How to view your card transaction history on Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to check your recent payments or withdrawals, here is how to view your full Wise card transaction history in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the cards tab at the bottom, and here you will see all your Wise card, both physical and digital. And now here you can just tap on your active card to see the list of your recent transaction, and you will find everything like purchases, ATM withdrawals, online payments, and even decline charges. So here you can also tap any transaction to view more details like the merchant name, currency, amount, and the exact time it was proceed. And if you prefer a bigger screen, you can also log into your Wise account on the website and go to account activity for the same breakdown. And that's it. That's how you can view your card transaction history on Wise. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.